Going to get a gaterade. This one. I have white toes. So, we went swimming and took showers, and now we're in our pajamas. And yes, I'm wearing glasses. I took out my contacts. She looks pretty with both. Cause she's awesome like that. I would be weird in glasses. Excuse me. You didn't need to hear that, but you did. So. My ankle still hurts. But my feet hurt. The pool was really warm.
Yeah.
Wait, where are we going? Oh, we're going to 7th floor. You lucky duck.
Look at these robes, they guys.
Awesome. Mine has it too. See? We're on the 7th floor because that has the best vending machine, which I didn't know when I bought my Pepsi. But you know what? I enjoy that Pepsi. It was my baby. I love that Pepsi. It's very good. Whoa, they refilled.
No, they didn't. Remember, this one had like a bunch of stuff.
I know that, but it looks like we got more. Oh, it lit up. Look at it. Oh, spit it out. It's like, yeah, no, nasty money. That's dirty money. Watch it do its magic. Why isn't? Oh, select a thing. Good choice. Wouldn't it be funny if it grabbed 2? I would laugh. That'd be so awesome. I would be so happy. I would be. So pretty. Hold this for un momento. Oh man, I missed.
Look, my gaterade fits in my pocket. Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
We've been recording for 8 minutes.
No. It's counting down.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
I was like, we've been recording for 8 minutes. Okay. We gotta shh. Oh, look at the city.
I forgot we were done before.
Like I'm ready. Yeah, there's a cop car right there. Back. 6th floor. Oh no. A swollen eye. Okay, you went through this earlier, look. Okay, see how this window has that white thing at the bottom? It's because you can't see it right now. But if you look, see all those dots? It's like a really ugly thing. It's a really ugly view. That's why this is here. We figured that out earlier today. Push my back.
Who is that one?
Still,
Seven?
nobody.
What is that? Who is this one?
If you feel it, let it happen. Keep on dancing till the moon.
I don't like elevators. They feel weird.
You don't like what?
Elevators.
I know. You just got the key, right?
You got the key.
Alright. Alright, so we'll probably be sneaking out later tonight. So until then, adios. I don't know how to stop.
Again?